Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram active status not turning off. So to fix that, open Instagram, then go to your profile. Next, go to three-line menu in the top right. Then scroll down and go to how others can interact with you. Then tap messages and story replies. Select show activity status at the center and make sure show activity status is turned off, just like so. So it will show you information about what it is. So when this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of others and they won't be able to see if you're online. And that's it.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So again, just go to your profile, then click the three line in the top right corner. Then just scroll down and go to how others can interact with you and tap messages and story replies. Then click show activity status and just turn this off. And that's it. That should fix your problem. Thank you for watching.